Hi there, good morning. I am Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a licensed real estate broker and a partner of Greenfield Development Corporation. We are here to the segment of Best in Town Property PH na tanong mo, sagot ko. Ang tanong, gusto ko ng kondo pero ayoko naman ng concrete jungle na nakakasakal. Meron ba niyan? Sobrang relate. Kaya nga, sa DIA is called Greenspiration. Imagine, taga Santa Rosa ka, pero feeling mo nasa resort ka everyday. Walking distance lang tayo sa Paseo at Laguna Central. After work sa Technopark, uwi ka sa community mo na may maraming puno at fresh air. Hindi mo kailangan i-sacrifice yung mental health mo para sa convenience. Best of both worlds, di ba? So, send us a message to book your tripping schedule. Tara na! This is Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a PRC licensed real estate broker and an accredited partner of Greenfield Development Corporation, helping you find not just a property, but the right investment for your future. Thank you very much.